You have to be the most stupid person I've met as a driver of a motor vehicle, with the police vehicles all the way since Church Street to here.
Sorry.
I've just caught a police pursuit with you. We're in pursuit with you because you would not stop. Produce your driver's license, driver.
Sorry, I wasn't sure.
You've lost your license.
I'm sorry, I didn't actually know.
You looked in the rear vision mirror no less than 4 times.
I wasn't sure.
What is this vehicle behind you?
It's the police, but I wasn't sure. I'm really actually not sure.
Your mother didn't. Is this your mother?
My mother just...
She didn't have a seatbelt on in the car when we went past you on Woodville Road. Your P plates aren't displayed in accordance with the regulations. You failed to stop when directed to by police. You can argue as pass me her ID too. Your P plate at the rear is not displayed properly. She would have ID of some description.
She came from overseas.
Oh, it doesn't matter. She would have some ID on her of some description. Produce it.
Can I get her?
Have you got ID?
No, she just migrated from overseas. We've applied for all her ID card, hasn't arrived.
Well, she'd have something.
Can I get her pass?
Yeah, we're taking her back to jail anyway.
Can I get her pass at least some?
No, I want someone to get her ID. If she's got a wallet, she'll have ID on her. Out of the car. Come on, out. Where's your ID? Where's your wallet? Where's your wallet? Bag. Where's your bag? Where's your bag? Is that her handbag?
That's my bag.
Alright, where's her wallet? Where's her wallet? I don't care where your home is. At this stage, you're under arrest for driving in a negligent manner. Do you understand that? Hop out of the car. Whack the cuffs on her. ID. This, ID.
Can I? English now.
Over here. Imshi. Don't argue with me, love, or you'll be going back in the paddy wagon as accessory to bloody murder. This is ridiculous.
Why didn't you stop?
Go away. Go home. You go home. You're their friends? Go inside.
So what? You just you don't know how to drive on Australian roads. Handle license. I guess where to go. Okay, so
Yeah, right.
has she given you a license, Sarge?
I got her license, but not mum's. First name? Date of birth.
25th
I don't care. You go back to jail. I don't care.
25th of March,
Yep.
1975.
How old are you?
Yeah.
You're telling fibs.
She's
Where does she live? Where does she live?
She lives
She's not 48 if she's born in 1975. She's 44. What's the year of birth?
75.
And she's 48. Do your maths. That's 44. I'm 41, born in 78. Take 3 years off. 75. That's 44. Someone's telling me lies. Your mum has 30 seconds to tell me a date of birth, or on the way to Rose Hill police station.
She doesn't know her.
Well, you can. Well, she would. ID.
Can I just check?
Contact someone to get her passport down here. She'd have an Afghan passport. You ring someone, tell them to get your passport down here now, or you go back to the police station.
Police station, wait, I found it.
See? ID.
She's on temporary visa.
Oh, so she's committed offences whilst on a temporary visa.
Yep.
Aid and abet.
No, this is not. I've got it.
Well,
at
get some.
home.
Ring her. Ring someone at home, because a girl was coming down here, a relative.
That's not.
Bring no. She stays here. Mum stays here. Hey, here. Ring someone to go and get her passport and bring it here now. Don't you get aggro. You'll be in the back of a divvy going back to the jail. Don't take advantage of our system. This is ridiculous.